Hi Flag Wavers, I'm Lori Watson with the Flag Ladies Flag Store, and I'm really looking forward to showing you how to put together a kit which includes your pole, your bracket, and your USA flag. Here we go. First of all, here is your pole. The pole is a spinner pole. Really cool stuff. It's going to allow that flag to not wrap your pole. It includes also 2 easy rings, one at the top and one at the bottom. And it also includes this that you only use when you have a banner. You're going to attach your flags with these rings. We also have a really nifty bracket. That's a 2-way bracket. It holds your USA always at an angle. And then again, that banner that you might want to do someday goes out this way. And it also has a really nice sturdy screw that you will tighten the flag pole into the bracket in order that it won't wiggle out when the wind comes. And then of course, this is our USA flag. It's made in the USA. It has the beautiful shiny rayon stars that are embroidered. And in addition, it has beautiful sewn stripes. And these sewn stripes are lock stitched to make sure that your flags last as long as possible. I'm going to show you quickly how to attach the flag to the pole, which is such an easy process. You're going to love me forever over this. You're going to take the ring off at the top first. You're going to place your grommet over that hole that we just unveiled, and then you're going to put it right back in there. Next, we're going to go on right on down. And we're going to do that same process at the bottom of the pole. As you do this, you want to pull your flag down so that canvas heading is laying flat against the pole, but not too tight. It does need room to be able to breathe and move as it goes around. Again, we place that grommet over the hole. We're going to screw this in. You go down to the pole itself. Make sure that you just adjust, and voila, there's your flag, all set and on your pole and ready to fly. I can even show you how cool this is. If we go like this, and let's say this is what gets wrapped, this is what's on, that is literally what happens when the wind blows and wants to wrap your flag around the pole. Thank you so much. I look forward to teaching you more about our wonderful products here at the Flag Ladies Flag Store.